Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style with Nivedita, and I'm back again with another haul video. And today's haul video is a top haul. I know, again a top haul. I've been doing top hauls recently and मुझे इतना मजा आता है. I love it so much. So I was like, why not one more? So I'm back again with another top haul, and all the tops are so trendy, so stylish, and all are so affordable. All are under 300 and they are super stylish, super trendy. तो अभी ज्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट द हॉल. So the first one is this one, and you can see this top. This top is so beautiful, so stylish. I love this top so much. It's so much in trend also. It's very trendy, and ये top मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. It's a white color, and the neck is like tie up neck, and the sleeves are full sleeves. The neck is little V type neck, and we have ruffles on the neck part, and we have ruffles on the whole top, in the end of the whole top, and in the sleeves also. The sleeves are bell sleeves, and it's full sleeve, the full bell sleeves, and I love it so much. And it's transparent obviously, so we have to wear inner inside, like I'm wearing white one. इसके और दो color options थे, green and black. You can go for those options also, like green में आप green color के inner या black में black color के inner पहन के इसको style कर सकते हो. I can style this top in vacations, in resorts and all, for outing with girls, outing, date nights, party, anywhere I can style this top. So I love it so much. And the sizes, sorry, the fabric is georgette fabric, and the fabric is not that so much comfortable to wear in summer. Like it's okay आप पहन सकती हो, but not that great comfort that it will give in summer. तो थोड़ा वो है. The sizes available are from small to extra large. I got small size, and I love the fitting, to be honest. जो थोड़ा बहुत लूज टाइप हो रहा है, because ये तो अब जरा फिटिंग का होता तो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता, I feel like. So I love it because of the ruffles, and also it's giving a great look. The price of this is 284, and with discount I get 260. 260 is okay for a top because the top is stylish. It's giving a great look and little bit uncomfortable. I'm feeling like it will be in summer, but I'm feeling like it's okay. And to overall the top अच्छा है, price भी अच्छा है, so you can also go for this top. The next one is this top, and you can see this top. This top is so beautiful, so trendy, so stylish, cute, and Pinteresty. I love this top so much. It's very affordable, and it's very stylish. It's of maroon color, and the neck is square type neck. The length is regular length. It's sleeveless, and sleeves are a little bit ruffled type, and we have ribbons attached on the top. So it's a simple top, and it just कि यहाँ पे रिबन टाई किया गया है. ये कुछ दिन पहले ही ऐसा एक हैक बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्टाग्राम पे फेमस हुआ था. सिंपल टॉप को रिबन टाई करके कैसे स्टाइलिश और ट्रेंडी क्रिएट कर रहे थे. सो इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. दे हैव जस्ट attached a ribbon here on the top, on the simple top, but it's looking very stylish, and I can style this top for parties, for casual outing with friends, date nights, anywhere, because the color is also very bright. We have different color option also, but मुझे maroon बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Like there were black, red, so many different colors. White भी थे, but maroon मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, तो I got this one. And yeah, it's a simple top, ribbons attached, but it's very stylish, and I love it so much. I can style with different types of bottoms and all. It's a flaca fabric. The fabric is very soft, lightweight, comfortable. I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this top. So summers के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. The sizes available for this top are from extra small to large. I got extra small size, and you can see the fitting. I love the fitting. It's fitting so perfectly. It's giving me that body hugging fitting, and so जिसकी वजह से और ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. It's giving a very good look, so I love the fitting also. And the price of this is 233, and with discount I got it 210. 210 is very good for this top, because the top is simple, ribbons attached, but the material is very good, the fitting is very good, and I can style this top in so many different occasions with different types of bottoms. So I think 210 is so much affordable for this top, and you can definitely go for this top with whatever color you like. So the next one is this top, and you can see this top. This top is also so beautiful, so trendy, so cute at the same time. I love it so much. I can style this top in cute ways for parties, anywhere, for vacation, for girls outing, date nights, anywhere. I can style this top with jeans, skirts, any type of bottom, so it will perfectly go. इसलिए मुझे ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा. It's a white color and we have sleeves only on one part of the one side, and we don't have sleeves on the other side, and we have a ruffle attached on the sleeve part where there was sleeve, and the length is crop. It's a crop top, and I love it so much. We have different color option also, black the, maroon the. You can go for those color options. Those were also very pretty and very stylish and trendy, so you can go for those color. I got a white one क्योंकि white मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. The sizes available for this top are small and M only. I got small size and you can see it's fitting me perfectly. I'm extra small size. I wear extra small size and small size is fitting me perfectly. That means if you are small size, you have to go for M size, maybe one size bigger, because I wear extra small size and because I got small size it's fitting me perfectly. So keep that in mind. वरना थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइट हो सकता है and you may not feel comfortable wearing it. The fabric is the polyester fabric and I'm feeling very lightweight and comfortable wearing it. Summers में भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, अभी इतना गर्मी है फिर भी I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this top. It's very very lightweight. The price of this is 260 and with discount I got a 231. 231 is very perfect for this top because it's so stylish, looking so good, fitting so perfectly, and I love it so much. And you should also definitely go for this top with other color option also. There were so many color options, so whichever color you like. So yeah. So the next one is this top, and you can see this top. This top is also so beautiful, so stylish, so trendy. I can style this top for outings, for date nights, and for parties. It will give such a good, stylish, elegant vibe. I love it so much. It's a black color, and we have stripes attached to the top. It is actually like a tube top, and we just have to have the stripes, and we have to tie the stripes to the back of the neck, and it will give the look like a halter neck. So I love it very much. From back also it will look very good, and in the length is of it's of crop it's a crop top, sorry. It's a crop top and the fabric is cotton blend fabric, and yeah, it's very soft and comfortable to wear. I'm feeling comfortable wearing this top, and summers के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होगा. वेकेशंस वगैरह के लिए भी मैं इसको स्टाइल कर सकती हूँ. इसके और कलर ऑप्शंस थे, रेड थे, ब्लू थे, ग्रीन थे एंड ब्लैक. आई गॉट द ब्लैक वन and I love it so much. You can go for those color options also. The sizes available for this top are from are small and M only. I got small size and you can see small size is fitting me very perfectly. कभी कभी small size मुझे perfectly suit करता है. Otherwise I am extra small size. So if you are like medium size, then I think medium size will be little tight for you, because I'm extra small size and I got small size. Then this is fitting me very perfectly. So you have to keep that in mind. The price of this is 225 and with discount I got 197. 197 for this beautiful top is just wow. It's so beautiful, so trendy, fitting me so perfectly. The material is so good. I can style it in different ways, so I love it so much. And it has different color options also, so you should definitely go for this top with whichever color you like. The next one is this top, and you can see this top. This top is also so Pinterest, is so cute, so trendy, so stylish. I love this top also so much. I can style this top in like casual ways for office, college, casual outings, or I can go for outing with girls and cute ways. Maybe मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ. So it's very good and beautiful top. I love it so much. It's a white color, and we have a big blue color flower print on the middle of the top, and that's why it's looking more cute. It's a simple casual top, but this print is making it looking more stylish and more cute. I love this top so much. The sleeves are short sleeves and the neck is round neck. The length is of regular length and it's of polyester fabric. The fabric is very lightweight, very comfortable, and summers में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा. I'm feeling very comfortable wearing this top. The sizes available for this top are from small to double XL. Double XL size तक भी है ये top, and yeah, it's from small. I got small size, but it's fitting me very perfectly. I normally wear extra small size, but small size is also fitting me very perfectly. So I think if you are small size and then you go for M, then it will fit you perfectly. And the price of this is 297, and with discount I got a 283. So 283 for this top is very perfect because the material is very good, the fitting is very good. I'm feeling very comfortable and it's so stylish, and I can style it for casual outings also and party वगैरह में भी मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ. So I think it's very good and affordable, and you can also definitely go for this top. So these were some tops that I got from Meesho this time. All are so stylish, so affordable, so beautiful. मुझे तो सभी बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छे लगे. And अगर आपको भी कोई भी टॉप अच्छा लगा, I'll give the link in the description. You can click on the link and you can get whichever top you like. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then do like and comment, and yeah, do subscribe my channel if you love haul videos, because I'll be coming with more and more haul videos. For now, I'll say bye bye guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.